So let's talk about Onyxcoin real quick. The current price of XCN is currently seated at 0.0139. We are left with 3 hours and 14 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. We are going to be sticking to the 4-hour time frame alone, you understand, in order to get a clear picture, because nothing really has happened. No significant move has happened, in as much as we have like at least pumped to the upside in the last 8 hours, you understand. And yeah, it was as a result of the BTC dominance retracing, which I also predicted in the previous video. So we're going to be talking about this BTC dominance chart. We're going to as well talk about the BTC chart and also the others chart, you understand, in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. Onyx trading volume is up 22% in the last 24 hours. We are currently seated at $19.1 million. We are yet to like make any significant moves. Sooner or later, we should begin to like make like a move on the price of Onyxcoin. So if you're yet to get into it, I think you're still very, very early. And let's even talk about what the chart is saying real quick. Like I said before, we need to flip this liquidity here. We need to like sweep it to tap into this bearish order block properly. We are likely to get a rejection from there back to the zone around 0.0153 and 0.015149. You understand? So the moment we retrace, tap into that zone, we are going to get a reversal back into this bearish order block. Now, the moment we are approaching the bearish order block the second time, we should expect to invalidate it, either the second time or the third time, depending on the trading volume, how bullish the XCN investors are when the price start moving and heading to that direction. Before we proceed, if you're yet to like this video, please like this video, smash the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac, you're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. So we need to tap into this bearish order block, flip it into it, break above it, invalidate it, flip it into a support before we can start thinking of making more massive move to the upside. Now, another zone we should pay attention to should be around 0.017. That zone is likely to reject the price of Onyxcoin. So yeah, but as long as we have taken this liquidity out, this massive bearish order block out, I think that's one of the most significant stumbling blocks that have kept the price of Onyxcoin down for now. So we need to first of all pay attention to this bearish order block, take it out first before facing the other stumbling block we have on our way up. So it's nothing serious, you understand. We are going to overcome it. The altcoin season is approaching gradually, so sooner or later everything is going to go ballistic. If you're paying attention, the current entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is seated at 52%, which is indicating neutral. Altcoin season indicator is still sitting at 28%. We need to see it increase to 50, 100% and stay there for weeks, you understand, in order for our altcoins to like rally hard, very, very hard. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame, I think I drew you guys attention to this BTC dominance in our last video, and I told you from the look of things, the BTC dominance is trying to retrace, and we should be expecting it to retrace to around what zone did it draw? To around 6.45%. So the BTC dominant retraced to, I think, close to the 6.45% we talked about. It dropped all the way to 6.46%. Remember, the prediction was for the BTC dominance to drop to 6.45%, but it dropped to 6.46% and got a slight pump to the upside. Now, let's just pray. I just pray it loses this area we are expecting it to drop to. It's likely to get a bounce from there, by the way, but I want it to lose, because the moment the BTC dominance start correcting, retracing aggressively, and you see the BTC price pumping, that is a clear sign that altcoins are going to explode. By the way, let's even talk about the BTC price real quick on the 4-hour time frame. Our long limit order is still kind of valid, you understand. So anytime the price of BTC tapped into this POI zone, we are going to get a trigger buy, you understand, to the upside. The signal is still valid. So the BTC price is aggressively retracing. The current price is seated at $110,612. We are left with 3 hours and 4 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now it has retraced. I think it's trying to retrace this huge 4-hour candle pump it had few hours ago. So I'm expecting it to like get a reversal pump from around $10,000 and from around $110,000 and also $109,722. So this zone is likely to be a reversal zone for the BTC price to pump to the upside. You understand? In my own opinion, I might be wrong, but that is where I'll be looking to like take a long entry. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. If you're paying attention to the others chart, we've talked about this chart countless times as well, and I notice most of you are enjoying the others chart I brought to your attention recently on this channel. Now the others chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap excluding top 10 or excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. And the others chart market cap is currently seated at $243 billion. Now, this is the weekly time frame. The last time this pattern formed, when we broke out, flipped it into a support, we got a massive rally in over 5 weeks, non-stop pump on the altcoins. The good thing is we've broken out of the the trend line, flipped it into a support. So sooner or later, we are going to get that huge, monstrous pump to the upside. Now, I think this pump might align with the altcoin season we all have been waiting for this time around. So by the time we start getting this pump, then we should expect to take out this previous high, which is around $491 billion, which was the previous high in 2021 November. You understand, in the last bull market cycle. And considering the institutional adoption, the global adoption of cryptocurrencies this time around, I think the pump is going to be very, 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 very aggressive this time around, thereby taking out this high, flip it into a support, tap into $600 billion, $700 billion in market cap for the others chart. Now, the truth of the matter is we might even go all the way to $1 trillion and even maybe above. You never can tell. So this is the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. We are currently seated at 64.78%. We are left with 22 days and 3 hours until this current monthly candle closes. I think the monthly candle is now retracing gradually after being stable since the month of July began. It is now retracing. You understand? We need to see it retrace aggressively to the downside in order to welcome ourselves into a full-blown altcoin season. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace aggressively to the downside and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are definitely going to explode. But when you see the BTC dominant retracing and you see BTC price consolidating, then altcoins are going to have a relief pump, a relief rally. But if the BTC dominance is going upward, pumping, and BTC price is either dropping or pumping, then altcoins are going to bleed. They are going to dump. We need to see a massive retracement. By the time the retracement happens to around 47%, I'm going to be selling majority of my portfolio, taking massive profit off, because by then the entire market should be in a monstrous mode then. That's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. If you're yet to like this video, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Peace out.